In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the footer color in Shopify. Whether you're looking to freshen up your online store's look or match your branding more closely, changing the footer color can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and see how you can customize this part of your Shopify site. First, you'll need to navigate to your site editor within Shopify. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the footer section. This action will bring up various customization options on the left panel of your screen, making it easy to adjust your footer settings. On this panel, you'll notice there's a section for theme settings. This is where you'll want to focus your attention. In the theme settings, you'll be able to identify the current color scheme that your footer is using. For many of us, this could be labeled as Scheme 1 or something similar, depending on how your theme has been set up. It's essential to be aware that any changes you make to this scheme will affect all areas of your site using the same color scheme. So proceed with caution if you have multiple sections relying on it. To alter the color scheme, you'll need to locate the gear icon on the left panel within the theme settings section. Clicking on this will open up more detailed options related to your theme. From here, direct your attention to the colors section, as this is where you'll manage all your color schemes. Once you've accessed the colors menu, you will see all the color schemes available to your theme. If your footer is currently using a specific scheme that you want to change, simply click on it. This action will open up editing options for that particular color scheme, allowing you to adjust the colors as needed. Keep in mind, as you adjust these settings, that your modifications will also change every other section or element using this specific color scheme. If this isn't your intention and you want to change only the footer, there's a simple workaround. To ensure only the footer color changes, you'll want to create a new color scheme tailored specifically for your footer. After you've crafted this new scheme with your desired color, head back to the footer within the site editor. Select the newly created color scheme for your footer to apply the changes exclusively here, without impacting other sections of your site. And there you have it. Your footer now reflects the updated color, giving your site a refreshed appearance. This minor adjustment can make a large impact on the cohesion and attractiveness of your site. With just a few clicks, you've managed to enhance your Shopify store's aesthetic, all set to invite and engage your customers effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.